Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 and the Z Flip 4 official cases are here. Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to another video. So guys, last week some official cases for the Galaxy Z Flip 4 and the Fold 4 were leaked, showcasing what Samsung has in store for its next generation foldable phones. Now a couple of more cases for the upcoming phone have been revealed. Samsung appears to have made silicone cover with the strap for the Z Flip 4 and the Galaxy Z Fold 4. The white version of the cover for the Z Flip 4 has a white top and bottom parts, joined together by an orange strap. For the Galaxy Z Fold 4, the white version of the silicone cover with strap has an orange strap as well to hold the phone. The strap is further protected by a white silicone part. However, the case does not appear to offer any protection to the device hinge, which is not strained. Another thing that is quite noticeable by looking at the Z Fold 4 hinge, that the hinge mechanism is going to be slim. That's why we have such kind of a case. Apart from that, here are a couple of more designs that leaked a few days ago. The Z Fold 4 will have a slim standing cover which will retail at €44 or so. The back has a slim kickstand that can hold the phone on an angle. This case does not have a slot for the S Pen, but others might. As far as the Z Flip 4, there will be more premium flap leather cover design which will cost you €73 and more basic clear cover with a ring of €29 option. So guys, the Galaxy Unpacked event will be held on August 10, but you can already reserve a phone in the US and in India. In the US, if you reserve the phone early, you will get a $200 credit for your device, and even in India, you will get some of its reward. The event will also bring a new Galaxy Watch 5 series and the Galaxy Buds Pro. And you guys, the major changes that are coming for the Galaxy Z Fold 4 will be a new hinge design which is going to be pretty much slimmer. This new hinge will help out in order to widen the outer display. Alongside with that, the inner display is also going to be having less crease. Although it's not going to be gone completely, but still it's going to be even less noticeable than the last year Fold 3. And the third major change that we're going to expect is the camera sensor. Although we have the same camera design, but the sensors are going to be upgraded for the foldable phones. Like we have the 50 megapixel of a main camera sensor, 12 megapixel of ultra wide, and a new 10 megapixel of telephoto lens with a 3x of optical zoom capability. And according to iUniverse, this is going to be the best telephoto cameras, even stronger than the S22 Ultra. And as far as rest of the specs, it's going to be similar. Now moving towards the Galaxy Z Flip 4, there are only going to be few changes here as well. Like we have the same design, but the outer display is going to be 2.1 inches instead of 1.9 inches, which is going to be an upgrade. And the other major upgrade will be the battery capacity, which is bumped up from 3500 milliamp to 3800 milliamp, which is going to be a nice thing to have. So guys, overall I am super excited about the Galaxy Unpacked event. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. What do you think about these devices? Thanks for watching this video. Be sure to subscribe. Peace.